Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, are you restricted for space in your property? Do you have a motorhome or a caravan, but you'd really like to have a dishwasher? Well, HAVA are now launching this mini tabletop dishwasher in the UK. It performs exactly the same as a normal dishwasher. You can actually plumb it in just like a normal dishwasher, or you can move it around to wherever you want to and fill it from the top, and you know, the wastewater goes into a bucket or into your sink. Anyway, let's get some dishes and utensils and things inside it and see what it does. Now, first of all, taped to the side of the unit is a UK plug. And then once you've got the plug unpacked, you notice it's got about 6 feet of cable, which is perfect considering this unit can be used just more or less anywhere really. And another thing, the machine itself is really quite light, so no problem moving it around and sighting it wherever you want it. And then we'll remove the tape on the door. There's a piece of tape on each side of the door to help keep it shut while it's in transit. And then we can open the door and take a look inside. Now, you will notice there's quite a lot of this blue tape securing all the parts, even here on the little magnetic connectors here for the door. So you need to have a good look around it and start removing all of these pieces of tape. So once you've removed all the packaging, it looks just like any other dishwasher really, just on a smaller scale. So far, I'm pretty impressed with it. So what you get is the water feed, cold water feed here. I mean, you don't have to use this, we'll go into this in a little while. You can either connect it to the mains as you would with any normal dishwasher, or there's a filler on the top and you get this jug, you know, to give you the measurements of what needs to go in there. We'll check it out a bit later. Anyway, so there we are. That's the cold water feed. That's the waste pipe to connect on the back, which will need to go on, and that can either go into a bucket or you can connect it, put it into the sink, for example, or you can connect it to any of the pipe work. If you're going to leave it, you know, put it somewhere specifically and actually leave it there. You also then get this, which I assume is for, yeah, it is for knives and forks, cutlery, much like any other dishwasher. You get this big bowl here, which I guess you can put anything in really, but you could also put fruit in this and clean the fruit, which is, again, it's pretty good, isn't it? So that's it, that's all the parts that come with it. So what we need to do now is to work out how we're going to use it, get the connections onto it, and then we can switch it on and see what it's like. At the rear of the back of the unit, you'll see we've got a cold water inlet here and the wastewater outlet there. Now, if we were going to be plumbing it in, you know, to a static location, we would be taking this rubber bung off here, and then we've got the threaded pipe like that, which would screw onto there, and we could use this then in a static location, much like any other dishwasher. And the other thing we've got, this is the wastewater outlet. Now, we do need that whether it's in a static location or not. So we're going to be pushing this onto here like this, get it up as far as you can. And then we've got this Jubilee clip that came with the dishwasher. So we're just going to tighten that up so we don't get any leaks. And then what you can do with this is to either put it into a bucket or into a sink, for example, once it starts pumping the wastewater out. Now, on the other end of this, you will see that it's got a little sucker sticker thing on there like that. So if you put it into the sink, for example, you could stick that to the side of the sink, and then the water would eject into the waste. Anyway, so just a final tighten up for this, and then we'll move on and get some water in it. We're going to use the top feed using that jug. I'll do that in a moment, and then we can get some stuff in it and start cleaning. So there we go. That's the dishwasher almost ready to start running and cleaning some cutlery. Now, you saw me put the waste pipe on there, and that will go into a bucket. I didn't connect the cold water feed because it's not staying in a static location. What we're going to be doing is using this filler on the top of the dishwasher just here. And to do that, we're going to use the jug that's also supplied with the dishwasher with the correct amount of water. Now, what I'm going to do is to look at the instructions to find out how much water needs to go into there. And that water is then used and recycled, so you do save water by doing it that way as well, until it's done all the cleaning, and then it ejects it out of that waste pipe that we connected just a while ago. So let's get it filled up with water. I'm going to need to look at the manual a little bit just now, so we'll get it filled up with water, get the correct amount, put a little dishwasher tablet inside, and away we go. Right, so the instructions: open the water tank lid and fill with about 1.3 gallons or 5 litres of water, which is approximately 3 jugs full. When the tank is full, 3 beeps will be heard. There is no need to add more water during the washing process. So now it's time to see what this dishwasher can actually do. So I've got some soiled crockery and utensils here. So first of all, we've got this standard kind of holder for your knives, forks and spoons, and some of this stuff is pretty soiled, so we're going to see just how well it will clean up, or will clean these things. But right, so we'll load it up with these knives and forks and things first. As you can see, some of these are pretty soiled, but right, they're standard size knives and forks and things, and they're fitting in there okay. And then we've got this dish here. So now how are we going to do this? Let's try that like that, and then we've got a couple of smallish plates. They're not full-size dinner plates. They're kind of between tea plates and dinner plates. So we'll get a couple of those in there as well. Just bring a bit of light around here. That's it. And then we've got a cup that has some tea in it. Just sit that on there. And then this other sort of breakfast bowl. See if that'll sit in there like that. Now this piece here is supposed to be to put cups on, but because of the layout I've got here, I don't need that. So let me just bring you round here slightly so you can see this. There you go. So yeah, this if I hadn't got the holder there for the cutlery, this would drop down. You could sit some cups on it, but I don't have a need for that. So let's have a look and see how that goes in there. Yeah, that looks fine. Bring the camera up a bit more there so you can see that. Right, so that's, apparently it takes a setting, you know, for 4 people. Place settings, that is. But we've got this oddments of things that I've saved. Some of it is quite soiled. So we're going to give it a go. It's first go. Now, dishwasher tablet. Now down here, there is this little, let's come around here a bit. There's this little, now if you were putting powder or gel in, that would be fine. I mean, it does say the same with these tablets, you put them in it, but the idea of that is when you lift it up, that's just going to fall in there anyway. But that's what it says. So we've done that, and then we'll lift it up and shut it so that it's all ready to go. I'm just going to turn that light off because that's reflecting on there. So there it is. That's it all set up and ready to go. And I'm really looking forward to this. So first of all, I'll just show you the different settings there are on the top panel. So if I press this here like that, and right, so that's how long, I guess that is some sort of timer, depending on what you select. Now, what you have here is a mode button. So you can see there it's now illuminated dry, normal, speed, soft, baby care, heavy, and fruit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select normal, and then I guess all we have to do is press start or pause, so we'll press start. And then also on that control panel, you can see here that it's telling me there's 61 minutes left to run. And it's been on now for about 5 minutes. There you go, it's dropped down to 60. So we've got exactly an hour for it to complete its cycle, and hopefully everything will be spotlessly clean. So there we go, just over an hour. And let's get it open and have a look inside. Well, it's really warm, I can say that for sure. Right, so this was in a bit of a mess. Let's have a look at this. Very nice. I mean, that cup inside, as you can see, is a few scratch marks because I do use it a lot. But everything else, yeah, seems to be perfect. Plate out. Yeah, very nice. And the cutlery is all nice and clean. Yeah, I'm well impressed with that. It does exactly what it says on the box. So there you go. That's the HAVA RO1, and it's just being launched in the UK. Now, it does everything it says on the box. You've seen most of it in this review. I'm not an expert on dishwashers, but you know, compared to our dishwasher in the house, it works exactly the same as far as I'm concerned. You do have the opportunity, of course, to plumb it in like any normal dishwasher, or you can use it remotely as you've seen me doing here. So if you've got a small area in your home, or you haven't got a very large area, I should say, or maybe you've got a caravan or a motorhome, then this, I'm pretty sure, would be ideal. Anyway, check it out on Amazon, but if you do check the link below and there are any discount codes, make sure you use those as well. Anyway, if you found that helpful, why don't you consider a thumbs up? And if you found it really helpful, why don't you consider subscribing? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
The power of choice. We use it every day. To choose what we like, how we do things, when to do it, how to take care of the things we care about, and people we love. We know what's the best for our body and what's the best for our life. Let us be your choice, a sophisticated choice for effortless dishwashing. HAVA.